In this video from Device Doctor, we take a quick look at one of Epson's most powerful business printers, designed for high-volume, fast, and reliable everyday printing.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson WorkForce Pro C5890, a high-performance business printer. This printer has a simple touchscreen and an easy keyboard. You can copy, scan, print, fax, or print from USB in just a few taps. The first tray is a large standard cassette with a 250 sheet capacity. It supports various paper sizes, including A4, letter, legal, A5, A6, B5, and envelopes. This tray is perfect for daily high-volume printing with smooth, reliable performance. The second tray is a versatile multi-purpose tray with an 80-sheet capacity. It handles heavy paper up to 300 GSM, business cards, wedding invitations, and certificates with ease, making specialized printing fast and professional. This printer features a powerful and economical ink system. Each cartridge holds 350 milliliters of ink, and together, all 4 cartridges can print up to 25,000 pages. It uses 4 vivid colors: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, with precision core technology, delivering sharp, vibrant, and consistent prints. The printer's automatic document feeder holds up to 50 sheets, making copying and scanning quick and effortless. It also supports duplex scanning, so double-sided documents are processed automatically, saving time and effort. The Flatbed scanner supports documents up to A4 size and scans with 1200 dpi optical resolution. It delivers clear, detailed, and accurate scans, perfect for important documents and photos. You can print directly from a USB drive or connect your smartphone using Wi-Fi Direct. This makes printing fast and convenient without needing a computer. Now, see the actual speed of this printer on plain A4 paper. Check out the real printing speed on heavy 300 GSM paper. Despite the thick paper, the printer delivers fast and consistent results, perfect for professional documents and cards. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. The Epson WorkForce Pro C5890 is a powerful, high-performance printer designed for offices, schools, and professional print environments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert reviews and guides.